Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. How are you today? I hope you they are fun. And introduce myself. My name is Rio Afilardi. I am study Padang State of University. And I went to the engineering faculty. Okay, I will explain about the six most important automobile components. Number one, engine. One of engine. One of the most important component of a vehicle includes the engine. This is the most important component of an automobile by all cars. The performance of a vehicle depends on the engine, and it is here every car. Differential types of are used engine including number one, diesel. Number 2, internal. Number 3, gasoline. Number 4, electric. Engine require regular oil change to stay lubricated and prevent wear and tear. Number 2, gearbox transmission. The gearbox of transmission commences is at closest second the engine and commonly rotation when file. The transmission is what contains the differential gear that the physicists need the shift into depending on speed. This gear transfer in the engineer power the well and the vessel the rare many types and gearbox are in different car. A transmission is available to two types, the manual and the automatic model. As the speed of the vehicle varies, the gear can be shifted from one ratio to another. The power of the engine transferred to the wheel of the vessel will the health of the gear. Nowadays, most the vessel have automatic and gear transmission. Gearbox is one on the most difficult part on vessel to work on, and when restored and give new life when the oldest of vehicles. And number three, brakes. Care about safety, and the extremely important component of vessels is the brakes, and will help reduce and hold the speed on the vessels. Well, the brakes are happy hydraulic fluid and hold the speed of the vessels. Well, the brakes are efficient and hydraulic fluid and transmitted strong on the steel pieces of the wheel of the vessels. Obviously, the failure of the system may lead to some serious accident. Though previously the entire system used to work upon human intervention. Now the sensors are installed in car so that the car inside car sensor braking being installed in car. So have a manual of sensor braking system. It is very important to maintain the brake person of brake pad which can correct with gear. And number 4, drift axle. Another important component includes the drift axle, which help propel the vehicle thing off as longer bar connecting the two walls. The drift axle allow the vehicle operator to turn wheels and control the vehicle length. This is one the largest auto part in very car. And number 5, number 5, oil filter. Oil filter are essential in removing dust and abrasive particles from the engine oil. So particles can harm the engine oil from unwanted debris and dust particle. Most of the oil filter plastic fill as hang the efficient filter as segregates aggressive material from the engine oil. And number 5, chassis. The automotive chassis is the frame of the vehicle which support the various parts, such as engine, breaker, steering, axle, tire, and port. If the engine is the heart of the vehicle, the chassis is the skeleton. It is the most important structural part of vehicle. Automotive chassis of usually made of flake steel material of the study material like aluminum. The chassis keep the vehicle stiff and tensile. It sensor low vibration and noise in the steel vehicle. There are various types of chassis used and vehicles which include and the number 1, the backbone chassis, the leather chassis, and number 3, the monochrome chassis. And this day most of the vehicles use steel plastic chassis and ensure strength and durability. And number 6, gearbox and oil filter. There are with very little gearbox part included in the transmission. Most of the part can be purchased from the online store for replacement, but that less than hold the battle. You need technical expenses to fix transmission. Some of the parts included the gearbox cover, the shifter fork, the shifter rod, gearbox fork, and synchronizer ring and hubs. Okay, thank you. I'm like, comment, and share. Assalamualaikum.